Welcome back to my channel, guys. In this video we are going to see the HCL SAT exam important concept that you should learn. First we will select the reasoning, numerical and verb aptitude and essay writing, guys. This is a four topic you should cover first. Reasoning maybe will make it 26 question with 36 minutes. So you should use 1 minute for one question, guys. Today only I wrote my SL SAT exam, guys. I usually speak in Tamil language. First, your first question paper question is verbal aptitude in English grammar correction only, guys. Wait a minute, I will show that. Wait a minute, guys. Like this, guys. Ninth question. Incorrect statement below. This is a main question, guys. First 10 question will be in this order, guys. In verbal aptitude, first 10 question will be like this, guys. And the second format of 10 question like, right, I will show you, guys. This, guys. The following passage has blanks that have been numbered 1, 2, 3, 4. You will get 4 options that you should match one option for all the four filling the blanks, guys. You should for example, if you choosing rest, answer is D, upswing. If you choosing upswing means all the 4 should have upswing. You want to read carefully and matching the correct answer should be provided. So you guys, the second exam will be in 4 parts, guys, like I already mentioned. No, first part will be verbal aptitude, second part will be a reasoning question, third part will be second part will be numerical content. There will be 40 questions. Third part will be you will get reasoning. Fourth part will be essay writing. I already told the verbal aptitude what are the questions will come. Second is numerical aptitude, guys. For numerical aptitude, you should match like this question, guys. In sequence 2, 6, 12, 20, what will be the next? Maybe they put 56. Like this question will be, I thought these questions will come more like 10 or 15 questions like verbal aptitude. But in exam, I said only 3 questions like this, guys. This is a main question, guys. Wait a minute, this is not. Like this, guys. Which quantity will be more? A will be more or B will be more? Like this, well, or both are equal. Like they will be asking like this question, guys. You should read this topic very carefully, guys. For aptitude, what is the question? I was very tough to write. Not tough. There will be a less time to write, guys. That questions. I want to think more for that questions. Wait a minute. Like this question, guys. This question is very easy. You want to match any one arrow, like correct arrow of the following question, guys. But not like this. They will ask if like, for example, if a square is there means there will be one triangle. You think like that. If a square will be there will be inside one triangle. In square will be A, B, C, D. Okay, up A, up B, down C, down D. And the question will be like that, like this. What will be the viewpoint of B side to the square of the triangle? You understand? I think so. Like that question will be asked. I have think so much for that like question, guys. I did not see like this question. 13.1. I did not see like this question, guys. And this question also very important, guys. 12 to 16 they mentioned. No, this like question also very tough, guys. Not tough if we want to think lot for this like questions. I will put in another video in Tamil also, guys, for Tamil students. This topic also I seen in question paper, guys. This all is very easy. You can easily tell, guys. What will be more tough? This is a last part of section questions, guys. Match the rearrange the sentence and the one I have really tough means. Wait a minute, guys. This question, guys. Fourth one. Always, sometimes, never. These questions are I think 5 or 7 questions like this, guys. Always, sometimes, never. This is very hard to I think in my knowledge. Next video I will put in Tamil, guys, for Tamil students. I think this video I will not talk and properly because I am weak in grammar, guys. You should cover this. I will give this link, guys. Link. Please read this concept very much, guys. If you read this concept of 15 questions like that in the model question paper, there 15 is there. If you read this 15 questions of concept, definitely you can answer all the questions, guys. Very easily gonna attend. Exam was not so tough, guys, but the time is very limit. I already tell now. One question for 1 minute. That is very tough, guys. If you want this syllabus link already, if you anybody going to write means this link already will be provided, or if you want means I will give, guys.